Good morning, class 12. So, we are in chapter 17, and this is your last chapter, okay? So, the chapter is fiscal policy. So, here we will see the different definition of fiscal policy, okay? Like, what is fiscal policy? It refers to a policy concerning the use of state treasury or the government finance, okay, to achieve the macroeconomic goals. So to achieve the economic goals, okay, the macroeconomic goals, there are some policy, there are some government's policy that is known as fiscal policy. And in other words, you can say that government policy of changing its taxation, public expenditures program for achieving their objectives, that is known as fiscal policy. So out of these three definitions you can write any one, whichever you will feel easy. Like government uses its expenditures and revenue program to produce desirable effect on national income, productions and employment. So in normal languages we can say that the government use the budget in order to achieve certain predetermined objectives, which is known as fiscal policy. So here we will see how government expenditure increases the or affect the or affect the economy. So how public expenditure affect the economy? Like here you can see first point, an increase in public expenditures, that is PE's public expenditure, raises the level of GNP, that is gross national product. So if there is increase in public expenditure, it means there is increase in GNP, gross national product. Second is public expenditure increases the purchase of goods and services. So it increases the household incomes, increases government indirect tax revenues. Thirdly, increase the flow of funds in the economy. So here the flow of funds, the flow of cash and all, that too also will be increased in the economy if there will be increase in government expenditures. Last is increase private income and thereby private expenditure. So if there will be increase in government expenditures, obviously there will be increase in private income too, and also with that there will be increase in private expenditures too. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood up to here.